class. We'll just revise quickly the things so that things will be easy for you. So Cartesian products is nothing but you'll have two non-empty sets P and Q, and you have to do what is P cross Q. Okay, P cross Q is nothing but it is ordered pair P comma Q, where P belongs to P and Q belongs to Q. And then we had when we can say two ordered pairs are equal, if first elements of both the ordered pairs are equal and second elements are also equal. Suppose you have m elements, suppose if you have, and we had studied about certain problems, okay. Suppose if you have m elements in a set A and n elements in set B, then number of elements in A cross B is equal to m into n. Okay. Then we had studied about relation. So relation is nothing but the subset of the Cartesian product. It should not be equal to Cartesian product, but it should be a subset of a Cartesian product. It may be equal agbodu Cartesian product ge, but mostly it will be a subset of the Cartesian product. You'll have two elements, okay, A comma B. When you write the relation, if it is in this form, okay, if it is in this form, then the second element, okay, then the second element is called image of the first element. The second element is called image of the first element. Here you can see B is the image of A. Okay, B is the image of A. Okay, yes. And then these were the certain examples which I had given. As you can see, in the first example, there are different shapes and it is mapped to their respective colors. Correct? Can you see that? Ali bere bere tarada shapes ide first set alli X alli. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಓಕೆ ಆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಅದರ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಸೊ ವೆರಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ example if you see the second example then you can see 1 and minus 1 are mapped to 1. 7 is mapped to 49 and 5 is mapped to 25. What is the relation over here, students? What is the relation? Yes, good. Yes, good. Tasmia, good Angel. Good Purnima. What is the relation? It is squares. How can you see? Minus 1 square is 1. 1 square is also 1. So see, minus 1 and 1 are related to 1. Okay, then 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25. Can you see the relation? Yes. Okay, when you come to the third example, what is the relation over here? What is the relation in third example? What you can see as a relation in the third example? In relation is there. What is the relation? Colors, correct? Here you have different colors and illi enide pictures ide ondo face picture ide. I can't understand what animal it is. Okay, there is a picture of an animal with some colors. So colors are mapped. Each color red ge map agide, blue ge map agide. Okay na? Correct. Okay, so we'll move on. I hope now you know how to identify the relation and all. Correct? Okay, now you have something to study. Okay. So a relation, a visual representation of this relation is done using arrow diagram. So as you can see in the previous slide, okay, I had shown this diagram, correct? You can see arrows in this diagram. This is called as arrow diagram. Relation annu visualize madlikkoskara use maduvanta diagram annu arrow diagram anta heltare. So this is the arrow diagram. Okay, this is the arrow diagram. Okay, this is the arrow diagram. Okay, a visual representation of the relation is done by arrow diagram. Aita hege represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ arrow diagram. ಈ arrow ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. Okay, the direction of the arrow says this element is related with this. Okay, from this set to here. Okay, that was the question. Next, when you write the ordered pairs, suppose if I say wait a minute, sorry. Okay, let A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, and I'll define a relation. Okay, I will define a relation. R is equal to, I'll give the definition. You have to tell me what are the elements. Okay na? Nanu relation ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Okay na? Fine. So ordered pair x, y such that x and y belongs to A. Okay, such that x and y belongs to A and y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so this is the definition of the relation. Now you have to tell me what are the elements in this relation. Okay, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಗಳ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. x, y ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ವೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ x and y belongs, it belongs to A. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು A ಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಯ್ತು, A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ y ಮತ್ತೆ x ಗೆ y ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? x plus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? y you can write as x plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ y ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, x ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ y ಇರಬೇಕು. Now what are the elements in R? What are the elements in R? Good Purnima. Purnima has given me the answer. Good Purnima. Yes, others? I've not taught you about something, Tasmia. I want the answer what I have asked. The question what I have asked. Okay? That's fine. Whatever you are answering is correct. Yes, good Soundarya. Okay. ಈಗ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ಎ ಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವೈ ಕೂಡ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, okay, x is equal to 1, the relation between x and y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, now when you take x is equal to 1, what happens to y? Y becomes 2, correct? So what is your first ordered pair? 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Next, okay, next you put x is equal to 2 because the next element in set A is 2. When x is equal to 2, what is y? What is y, students? What is y, students? It is 2 plus 1, which is 3, correct? So the next ordered pair is 2, 3. Okay, check. Remember, both the numbers should belongs to A. Here 2 also is in A and 3 is also in A. That's why I can write the ordered pair 2, 3. Okay, next what is the element in A? X is equal to 3. Okay, x is equal to 3. So what happens to y when x is equal to 3? What is the value of y? It is, sorry, it is 3 plus 1, which is 4. So what is, whether 3 and 4 belongs to A? Whether 3 and 4 belongs to A? Yes, yes. So 3, 4. Okay. What is the next element in A? It is 4. If you take x is equal to 4, what happens to y? Y becomes 5. So can you write the ordered pair 4, 5 in this set? Can you write the ordered pair 4, 5 in the set? No. Santolin is saying no. Sahana is saying no. Soundarya no. Purnima no. So most of you are saying no. Why no? Why you cannot write the ordered pair 4, 5 in this set? Why you cannot write? Yake barilikagudilla 4, 5. Why you cannot write? Because yes, good Sahana, good Soundarya, good Santolin. Yes, good. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ಎರಡೂ ಎ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು 4 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೈ 5 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ 5 ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? 5 is not in set A, so you cannot write 4, 5. So what are the elements in relation? It is 1, 2, 2, 3. It's good Tasmia. It is 3, 4. Good Sharon, Purnima. Okay, so these are the elements in R. Now so you understood how to write the elements in a relation. If definition is given, how to write the elements. Okay. Now, what I have to tell you is the set of all first elements in this ordered pair. Okay. Which are the first element in this ordered pair? Which is the first element in this ordered pair? What are the first element in this order? It is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Those are called as domain of the relation. Okay. Those are called as domain of the relation R. Okay, those are called as the domain of the relation R. Okay, first elements, ಈ relation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ first elements ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು domain of the relation R ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay ನಾ? Next, the set of all second elements in a relation. You can see what are the second elements over here. What are the second elements in this relation? 2, 3, 4. So generally the second element in the ordered pairs are called as, in relation, the set of all second element in a relation is called as range. Okay, range of the relation. Okay, sorry, it is range of the relation. So first elements are called as domain. First elements are called as domain, and second elements are called as range. Okay, second elements are called as range. You should remember, because henceforth this is the basics. Aita illi neeven kalitira, that will be carried for your second year also. So you should be very clear with the basics. So set of all first elements are called as domains in the ordered pair of relation R, and set of all second elements in a relation R is called as range. Okay, now ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ಅನ್ನು, ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಇಂದ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಎ ಇಂದ ವೈ ಕೂಡ ಎ ಅಂತಲೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಟು ಎ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, that set is called as codomain. So here set A is called as codomain. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಎಂತ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿಫೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಎ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಟು ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, the whole set B, that is they have told if the relation is defined from A to B, okay, if the relation is defined from A to B, then set B is called codomain of the relation. Okay, codomain of the relation. Okay na? So as I told, second elements yava set ge belong agbeku. Where should the second elements belong? It should belong to which set? Set of all second element yava set ge belong agbeku? A ga B ga? Yava set ge belong agbeku? Answer ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, x ಗೆ ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ y ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, a ಗ b ಗ? It should belong to set B, not A. Previous example ಅಲ್ಲಿ A, but I am asking generally. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು x ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರುವ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ B ಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? So range should be in set B, or range is a subset of the codomain. Okay, range is the subset of the codomain. ನೀವು x ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಸೆಟ್ A ಇಂದ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? x ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ y ಗೆ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that should be in set B. In previous case it was both the sets were A only, ಆಯ್ತಾ? previous case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಕೂಡ A ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, when you have to understand the definition, it should belong to the second set. Okay, the range should belong to the second set, or it should be a subset of the codomain. So range is always a subset of codomain. Okay, set of all second elements belong to this set, codomain set. The set of all second elements belongs to the codomain set. Are you understanding? Artha aita idu clear? Clear ag artha aita? Are you understanding this? Are you understanding this? Yes. I think Kirti is there, right? Okay, at the end I want to congratulate some of you. Okay, fine. I cannot see Kirti answering anything. Okay, so what and all you have studied? The set of all first element in the relation is called domain. set of all second element is called range, and the whole set B function ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, that is called as codomain. So 3 words you have studied: domain, range and codomain. Okay, domain, range, codomain, and range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. I'll give the example. Okay, yeah, we can take this as an example and you can understand, and this is an exercise problem as well. Okay, you can take a screenshot of the question and you can answer. Okay, so what they have told here, also the relation is from A to A only. That is fine. We'll see. Okay, let A is equal to, okay, this was the previous question which I had given. Anyhow, we'll see once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation R from A to A. Okay, from A to A, where R is equal to set of all x comma y. Okay, set of all x comma y, such that y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, such that y is equal to x plus 1. So here only they have told R is from A to A anta avare helidare. Okay na, R is from A to A anta avare helidare. Adra artha x A alli irbeku, y illi irbeku. Okay na, if they have not mentioned it, then you should know x should belong to A and y should belong to A. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟುತ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ y, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ y ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ x ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay na, so now, okay, so now you have to tell me what is the relation, what are the elements in this relation. Yes, good, Purnima. Purnima has already given me the answer. Good. Angel Soumya, yes, good. You know what are the elements in relation? ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ತರ x plus 1 ಅಂತ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಗುಡ್ ತಸ್ಮಿಯಾ ಬಾನು. ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಆದಿತ್ಯ, ಆಫ್ರೀನ್, ಸಹನಾ, ಚೆಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಗೇನ್. Sahana, check your answer again. Bharat, yes, good. Saundarya. If you're working out, then it is fine. Chandana, Deepak, Dinesh, Divya. Acha, tell me how many elements you have in that set. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು elements ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Relation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು elements ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Kirti, yes. 2 elements ಇರೋದಾ? ಏನದು ಹಾಗೆ? ಏನು 1 2 ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? What is this? What you are saying? What you are telling me? Some are saying 6. Yes, good, Santhalin. 6 elements ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡು, we'll check how many elements. Rihan is saying 6. Reena. Okay, we'll see how many elements you will have. Okay, yes. So ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, now, so x should belong to A. If you take x is equal to 1, what happens to y? Y is equal to 2. Okay. If you take x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Okay. If you take x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? x ಗೆ 3 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ y ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? 3 plus 1, 4. ಆ ರೀತಿ. Next, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5. When you put x is equal to 5, you'll get 5, 6. Can I put x is equal to 6? Can I put x is equal to 6? Can I put x is equal to 6? No. Why? Why cannot I put? X is in A. X A ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. A ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು 6, 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? Why cannot write? Why I cannot write it? If I put x is equal to 6, I'll get y is equal to 7. X A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, but y ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Correct. You know the answers. I was just trying to confuse you. Okay. So if you put x is equal to 6, what you will get? Y is equal to 7 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬಟ್ 7 A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಎರಡೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. x ಕೂಡ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, y ಕೂಡ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. That's why you cannot write 6, 7. So how many elements you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you people were telling 6. Here there are only 5 elements. Correct? Yes. Okay. There are only 5 elements. Okay. Now you tell me how to depict this relation using an arrow diagram. How to depict this relation using an arrow diagram. So, yen madbeku. See, my drawing skills are very weak, students. Please bear with that. Okay. Okay. So, relation ellinda elligide? R in A inda A ge ide. Correct? Relation ellinda ellige? A inda A ge ide. Correct? Okay, I'll just erase these things because I don't think whatever I'm drawing is proper. So relation is, what are the elements in the relation? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay. So I'll just draw the arrow diagram. You draw it properly, students. I know you are, some of you are biology students and all, so you can draw better than me. Okay. So relation ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ relation ಅಂತ R ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ relation? From A to A. So ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ A ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು. A ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀರಿ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also you write the elements in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you mark according to the relation. 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 2 ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So 1 ಅನ್ನು 2 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? You have to map 1 to 2. Next, what you have to do? You have to map 2 to 3. Okay? Sorry. You have to map 2 to 3. And then 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So this is the arrow diagram. Okay? This is the arrow diagram. You should put an arrow diagram ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ arrow ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Okay, so this is the arrow diagram. Okay, arrow diagram is done. Okay, next write down the domain. What is the domain, students? What did I say? What is the definition of the domain? Domain is set of all first elements. So what are the first elements? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, it is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, what is the codomain? What is the codomain, students? What is the codomain? What is the codomain? Good, Tasmia. I'm asking codomain. I'm not going to range. What is the codomain? Good, Chandana. Good, Purnima. Yes, others who are giving me answers of range, you just check your answer. I'm asking codomain. Codomain ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೀನಾ, I'm asking Kirti. I'm asking codomain. ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಸೆಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಎ ಇಂದ ಎ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಶಾಂತಲಂ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ codomain. Okay? Yes? Okay, fine. Now you have understood. That's fine. First question, right? That is fine. So what is range? What is range? Range is nothing but set of all second elements. So what are the second elements? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Sharon has some question or no? I don't know what it is. Okay, so now you tell me, can you see range is the subset of codomain? Is it true? Is it true that range is a subset of codomain? Subset anta helidre eno range alliruva ella elements codomain alli irbeku. Idya? Yes. See, that is what range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. So these are the answers. Okay. Okay. Can we move to the next question? Yes, you people are very active students. Very good. Okay. But there are some people who are not answering. I think they are finding it difficult to type the answers. But try at least. Try to type. Aita. ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನ ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಐ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್, ಚಲೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ವೇಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ. Okay, this is the next question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. So A list elements ide. What are, how many elements A has? How many elements A has? 14. Yes, yes. Okay, 14 elements A has. Okay. Now, what they have told, the relation is from A to B. A. So R is from A to A. Okay. How R is defined? Hege define madidare? R is equal to set of all x comma y. Ordered pair x comma y form alli ide. But what is the relation between x and y? 3x minus y is equal to 0. It should satisfy this equation. X matte y ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡದ್ದು, it should satisfy this equation. What else they have told? X and y should be in A. X and y should be in A. Now what is the equation that they have given? ಏನ್ equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 3x minus y is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 3x minus y is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to, if I take minus y to the other side, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ, so ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Yes, good Tasmia, your answers are correct. So minus y ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ plus y ಆಯಿತು. So y and 3x minus y is equal to 0 ಅನ್ನು you can write it also as 3x is equal to y. Okay, you can also write it as 3x is equal to y. So now you know the relation between x and y. X ಗೆ ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ y ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? 3 into that value ಆಗಬೇಕು. So we'll start taking values for x. So what is the first element in A? If you put x is equal to 1, okay, if you put x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? It is 3. Good students, it is 3. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ equation ಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. x ಗೆ 1 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ y ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 3. Okay, y is becoming 3. So it is 1,3. Okay, then what is the next element in A? It is 2. So put x is equal to 2. So what happens to y? Y becomes 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, that is 6. So the next element is 2,6. Okay. Then what you have to put? X is equal to 3. Good students, I am seeing your answers. I am observing your answers. Yes, Mukunda. Okay. Y is equal to, if you put x is equal to 3, y becomes 3 into 3, which is 9. So I can write 3,9 because both 3 and 9 are in A. Okay. Put x is equal to 4. What you will get? Y is equal to 12. Correct? So 4 and 12 are in A. That's why you can write 4,12. Okay, what is the next element in A? It is 5. So if you put x is equal to 5, what you will get as y? What you will get as y? 15. Can I write 5,15? Can I write the ordered pair 5,15 in this relation? Can I write? No, 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 no. Why? Why we cannot write? Because what they have told, x and y both should be in A. ಈಗ ನಾನು x is equal to 5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 5 A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ 15 ಇದೆ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. That's why you cannot write 5,15. So henceforth if you continue x is equal to 6 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ y 18 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Those elements are not in A, so you have to stop here. Okay, you have to stop here. This is not included. X is equal to 6 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 18 ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದಿಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So you have to stop here. Okay. Now you tell me, what is the domain? What is the domain? What is the domain, students? What is the domain? It is 1, 2. Set. What do you mean by domain? Set of all first elements in the ordered pair. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay. Next, what is the next question? Codomain. What is codomain? What is codomain? What is codomain? What is the answer for the codomain? 1 to 14. I'm not asking range. Purnima, don't confuse yourself. It is codomain I'm asking. Codomain ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? A ಇಂದ A ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So codomain is 1 to 14. Or you can write it as A. Okay, yes, fine. What is range? What is range? Yes, good Santhalin, good Kirti, good Afrin. Yes, Sharadi, Deepak. Yes, good Soundarya, Chandana, Tasmia. Okay. So what is the range? Range is 3, 6, 9, 12. Why? Because range is nothing but set of second elements in the ordered pair. Okay. Yes. Can we move to the next question? Good Sonal. Good Rihan. Yes. Good Divya. Yes. Okay. We'll go to the next question. Yes. Quickly we'll do the next question. Hardly we have 6 minutes. So we have to complete 2 more. Good Karthik. Yes. Good Karthik. Yes. Fine. So this is the next question. Those who have understood, you want this as homework. Can you take it as homework? Can you take this as homework? Will you try? I'll explain it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll explain for sure. Tomorrow you won't be having physics class. Physics class I'll be taking because ma'am had taken Monday class, right? So I'll be taking tomorrow's physics class. So tomorrow you have maths class again. Okay, take this as homework. You try. You try. This is very easy. Okay, you try this. You will do it, right? Let me see how many of you will do it. Okay, let me see it in the chat box. How many of you will do? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Very good. My students are very good. Okay. Okay. It's fine. Okay, take this as homework, because if I do everything in the class, no, we will forget the things. You should have something to do in the home also. Okay, this thing will do. Okay, this thing will do. Okay. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Yes, good Mukunda. Good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. Set A is equal to, what are the elements in A? Okay, concentrate on the next question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Okay, they have given two sets and they have told the relation is from A to B. Okay, A in the B ge hogta ide relation. Hege hogta ide? Yen adraddu what is the definition? Definition eno? R is in the form x comma y. Okay, R is in the form x comma y such that hegide x comma y relation in x ಮತ್ತೆ y madhye the difference between I'll be writing b/n. Okay, that is nothing but between x and y is odd. Okay, x and y is odd. Okay, good Tasmia. Let me explain the question to others also. Okay, and then x should belong to A and y should belong to A. I think Santolin has an answer or some question. I don't know what it is. Anyhow, if you have an answer, good Santolin. Okay, if you have a question, put it in the chat box. Okay, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಎ ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ, ವೈ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಂದ, ವೈ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅದರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ, ವೈ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ, ಅವು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. Okay, when you subtract, you should get an odd number. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. Idella odd numbers. Okay, you should get an odd number. So, if I take x is, so what can you tell me what are the elements in this particular example? What are the elements in this particular example? Okay, what I'll do, I'll try with each and everything. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, now 4, 6, 9. First again, 1 minus 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What is 1 minus 4? It is minus 3, correct? 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Difference ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು difference. 1 minus 3 ಅಂತಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, x minus y ಅಂತಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, y minus x ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, okay. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 is odd, right? It is an odd number, right? Is it an odd number? Is it an odd number? Yes. So I can include 1, 4. Okay. What about 1 minus 6? 1 minus 6. What is 1 minus 6? It is minus 5 or 5. Yes. So again 5 is an odd number. So I can include that as well. Okay. What is 1 minus 9? What is 1 minus 9? What is 1 minus 9? It is minus 8. Can I include 1, 9? Can I include 1, 9? 1, 9 ಅನ್ನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? 8 even number, so include ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತು. 1, 4 ಇದೆ, 1, 6 ಇದೆ. Okay, next go to 2. What is 2 minus 4? What is 2 minus 4? 2 minus 4 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ even number ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, so ಅದಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 2 minus 4 is 2, minus 2, so it is an even number. When you do 2 minus 6, again you are getting minus 4, so you cannot include that. When you do 2 minus 9, you are getting it as in sikta ide 2 minus 9, minus 7, so it is an odd number, so you can include 2, 9. Okay, then 3. Go to 3. What is 3 minus 4? 3 minus 4 is minus 1, which is an odd number, so you can include that. Okay, 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is an minus 6. Again it is sorry, minus 3. It is an odd number, so you can include 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 should be quick. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Okay, you cannot include because 6 is an even number. Okay, now coming to 5. 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? Quickly students, quickly. We are running out of the time. Okay, 5 minus 4 is minus 1. You can include. 5 minus 6 is, sorry, 5 minus 4 is 1. You can include. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Odd number you can include. 5 minus 9 is 4. Minus 4, which is an even number, so you cannot include. Roster form andre elements and list ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. So 1, 4, 1, 6, 2,9, 3,4, 3,6 and 5,4, 5,6. So these are the elements in relation. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, roster form andre answer annu list maduvanthadu. Idu set builder form alla. So you have to write it in roster form. Can I give you one example? Okay, take this as homework. Relation